Hello guys, it's November 18th, 2018. It's been pretty clear here in Seattle. So you can see the dahlia is dying back. The leaves of the saffron is getting longer. Artichoke, calla lily is still dying back. Rhubarb, asparagus, you can see some of the smaller ones are changing color now. The hydrangea is finally dying back. And this strawberry, I think it needs some water actually, so I'm gonna water it a little bit. Yeah, other things looks pretty much the same. The wildflower is still alive. You can see lots of flowers. Grape hyacinth has sprouted. And yeah, the mulberry, you can see leaves are pretty much gone. And then all the bulbs looks pretty much the same, except this one, the summer snowflake, you can see it has sprouted. And the other plants, yeah, looks all pretty much the same. I'll probably need to water some of these plants over here, because this winter it's actually kind of dry. There's not a lot of rain. And as for the indoor garden, the orchid flower is still here. And then this new growth from this orchid. And of course the mini Oncidium. I think this variety is called Oncidium Twinkle. The flowers are kind of pink reddish and they smell really nice. And yeah, the other plants looks pretty much the same. This guy, there's a little baby on the side. Other than that, I think, yeah, oh, right. The Phalaenopsis. You can see the roots over here is attached to the plank, and also there's a flower spike. So yeah, the Phalaenopsis is going to flower. We're having lots of luck this year with the orchids. This is the third variety or the third species that's going to flower this year. And yeah, the spider plants, prayer plants, all looks pretty good. The leaves are pigmented really well. And you can see I cut off all the older plants. Hoya plant is doing really well too. New leaves, new stem. And then this new plant, I think it's adapting pretty well. The string of pearl looks really happy. You can see this new growth over there. And yeah, other than that, I haven't updated you on the air plants, but it's looking pretty healthy. Lots of older dead leaves, but there's still new growths. The pineapple still growing slowly, and just the new succulents are pretty much the same, still waiting for roots. And last week I cut off a small part of the prayer plants, and you can see it has rooted significantly. So yeah, we have a new prayer